You're looking into getting a mortgage to refinance or to purchase a property, what kind of transaction you're doing. And there's always a question in the back of your mind, what will my cost be? So today we're going to discuss all that here. So in the mortgage world, on the customer side, there's a phenomena out there. It's called no cost mortgage. And let me tell you one thing, that there's nothing called no cost mortgage. I understand that one of your friend who got the mortgage last year or 6 months ago, they paid zero of pocket expense and they did not roll any principal balance. Their principal balance did not go up and the cost, they didn't pay nothing. I totally get that. But even then, in that scenario, your friend, he paid. And how? That's what we're going to tell you here. There's always some costs associated with a loan. Appraiser will not work for free. Your mortgage broker, you're working, they also work for compensation. And the escrow company, third-party companies, actually, they do a lot of work for small fees. But if you think they even not even charging that fee and working for free, that's not the case. You're paying it. So if you're getting a mortgage for $300,000 and the market interest rate is 4.5, so what your broker will do, they're going to sell you 4.75. So that 0.25% difference in the interest rate might give you 1% back. And $300,000 mortgage, so $3,000 credit, that will cover your cost. So you haven't paid anything. There's no amount rolled into your principal balance. It makes you happy, but actually, you're paying a lot. During the course of the loan, instead of paying $3,000 in the cost up front, you're paying $15,000 or $16,000 in the cost. So you're paying it anyhow. So might as well pay it up front and get done with it. That's my advice. And what are the costs to do the loan? Like I said, appraiser, they don't work for free. Approximate $500 cost for the appraiser. Escrow and title depends upon your loan amount. So let's say if you have a $300,000 mortgage, you're not paying more than $1,200 to $1,300 in lender's title and escrow altogether. Lender has some fees, it's from $800 to $1,000. And on top of it, small fees is like notary for $70, $80, $100, or credit reporting fees. Sometimes the broker do it for free. So $2,600, $2,700, that is your upfront cost to do a mortgage for $300,000. For $500,000, you throw a couple more hundreds like that. So that's not too much of the costs. But if you're saving that, great. But how you save it, I'll tell you that you're actually not saving. And if you want to make sure that you're getting a lowest possible rate in the market, talk to your broker and tell him to give you the borrower's paid rate. So there are two ways mortgage brokers get paid. Their compensation is lender paid, where they sell you the rate. The rates they sell you, it comes with the compensation going to them. And the borrower's paid, there's no compensation going to them. So there's no compensation going to them from lender. It means lender will give you the lowest possible rates, even lower than the banks. So ask your broker to provide you a rate borrower paid, and then negotiate your fees with him. You're not going to work for free, so give him, $3,000, $4,000, whatever you want to give them, which will give you the lowest possible rate. If the market rate is 4.75, you might get 4.5 or even 4.375. So that's how the mortgage industry works. Cost is out there, no matter what you are paying it. If you're not paying less, looks like you're not paying nothing, you end up paying like 5 times. Thanks for watching.